Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install LibreOffice latest version, that is 26 on Rocky Linux Standard 2. By default we won't get any Office suite. See here we don't have any Office suite, okay. So open the default browser that comes with Rocky Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to LibreOffice official website, it is LibreOffice.org. Click on download. Then for Rocky Linux we have to select this RPM. So click on this one. Wait a moment, see download started and its size is about 240 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will unzip this one and we will install all RPM packages. Download is completed. Now open terminal. Then go to downloads directory, ls. Now unzip this one, tar-except, then -, then libre, then press the tab to autofill entire file name from your keyboard, hit enter. Now go to this RPM folder, cd, libre. Go to again this RPM folder, ls. Now we have to install all these RPM packages. Control A, sudo rpm -ivh star.rpm. We have successfully installed. Now go to all applications. For applications, see here we have the LibreOffice suite, okay. So we have successfully installed LibreOffice latest version on Rocky Linux. Control A, cd, delete both this file and this directory. We have cleared the space, okay. So we have so for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.